Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, your local cruisers yachts dealer here in South Florida. Look what just came off the truck, a brand new 2024 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS Outboard in the beautiful white hull. Let's do a quick walkthrough. You can see this one has the half glass on the sides, which is nice, so you can get some fresh air through. Both wings on each side come down to make nice patios. This has got the preferred engine package with the twin V12s. From Mercury, 600 horsepower in white. I see some underwater lights there. Boat hasn't even been prepped yet, so she's as fresh as they come. This one actually has the new fold down deck here in the back, so when the engines are down, you can put the platform down and have a ton of walking space around here. It also has the new dolphin gray interior with the beautiful, beautiful diamond stitching. Nice option on this boat. Big, expansive cockpit. Boat runs over 50 miles an hour with the V12s. Big make fast shade system in the back that comes out electrically. This one has the engine reverso outboard flushing system on it, automatic. Look at the gorgeous wood table, solid wood, high gloss. Got the barbecue here with wet sink. This one came with 2 fridges here, which is a nice option as well. Tons of refrigeration, as well as nice maker here under the helm seat. Beautiful double helm chair, beautiful helm, twin Simrad electronics, joystick driven, DTS controls from Mercury, VHF radio, upgraded Rockford Fosgate system, subwoofers and amps. This is a cruiser's exclusive here, having the pedestal seats here and have a little wet bar here for you. You can also take the TV out of the cabin and put it up in this socket up here, so you can watch your games out here. Beautiful walk-through windshield, which you can close if you get in inclement weather. This has a shade system in the bow as well. You can see the stanchions here. Look at how great this bow is though for entertaining. You do have a wood table that is stored away that comes out and mounts here when you want. Here's your windlass access with foot pedals. Rockford Fosgate controls. And a nice armrest with drink holders here. One of the subwoofers. You do have air conditioning system in here that pumps out of these vents, also through these vents. And you also have another air conditioning system up here which throws some air on the captain from this vent and these 2 vents here. Inductive charger for your cell phone. Not only is it a big day boat, you got a great little overnight cabin as well. Sleep 4 people. Right now it's set up as a table. Beautiful wood steps. Your electrical panel is down here also underneath, behind this cushion here. Good, beautiful, solid wood cabinetry. Lots of storage. Another refrigerator. So you have 3 refrigerators on the boat. It's phenomenal. It's like most yachts. Here's your television, microwave. You have all the propellers and everything here. Again, it hasn't been prepped yet, but you got a full double bed back here in the mid cabin. And of course, a gorgeous, gorgeous head with vacuum flush toilets, vessel sinks, lots of natural light, beautiful shower head. Again, this is a 2024 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS with twin V12 600s on it. Oh, this is Seakeeper equipped as well, I might add. Again, with the newest dolphin gray interior. This is Tyler Hill at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Quick panorama of our marina here. Give us a call, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.